As the direct peel and stick vinyl tile supplier, we have a lot of designs. The peel and stick feather mosaic tiles are one of our hot sale collections. Follow our step-by-step installation guide to achieve professional-looking results without the need for expensive contractors. Preparing the surface. Ensure the surface is clean, smooth, and dry. Remove any dirt, dust, or grease, and make sure the wall is free from imperfections. Planning and layout. Plan the layout of your feather tiles before installation. Consider the design, pattern, and positioning to achieve the desired visual effect. Measure and mark the area to guide your installation. Starting installation. Begin at a corner of the wall. Peel off the backing paper from the first tile, exposing the adhesive side. Align the tile with your marked guideline and firmly press it onto the wall. Aligning and leveling. Ensure each tile is properly aligned with the previous one, maintaining a consistent pattern. Use a level or straight edge to ensure the tiles are straight and even. Trimming and cutting. If needed, trim the tiles to fit specific areas or around obstacles such as outlets or switches. Use a utility knife or scissors to carefully cut the tiles to the desired size and shape. Overlapping or interlocking. Depending on the design and layout, some feather tiles may overlap or interlock with each other. Follow the provided instructions or design guidelines for these specific tiles to achieve a seamless and cohesive look. Finishing touches. Once all the tiles are installed, use a roller or your hand to firmly press down on the tiles, ensuring proper adhesion and eliminating any air bubbles. Pay extra attention to the edges and corners to ensure they are securely attached. Enjoy your new space. Peel off the protect film, then step back and admire your transformed space. These peel and stick vinyl feather tiles effortlessly add elegance and individuality to any room. Clean and maintain the tiles by simply wiping them with a damp cloth, as they are resistant to stains and easy to care for. Visit vinyl-tile.com to explore the full range of colors and styles available, and start your journey towards a beautifully decorated space. Order your peel and stick vinyl feather tiles today and experience the convenience, durability, and versatility they bring to your home.